is endless night. I reach for you in empty air, but love like ours was never fair. Your voice still lingers in my mind, like autumn leaves we left behind. Our love so bright now fades to gray, slipping further day by day. We're falling apart like stars in the sky, once burning bright, now drifting